Talofa and welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today is Saturday and I am going to take my kids, Easterlyn and Mafala, to do our crochet shopping for the week. And on this shopping we're going to have a $200 budget, but Easterlyn and Mafala suggest that we need to have a $300 budget because we have some stuff that we need to get for the house, but we'll see how it goes. And I would like to invite you guys to come along with us. Hope you enjoy this video, and we're gonna take you guys in the shop with us, and we're gonna reveal at the end of this video what we got for the shopping and how much we spent. guys, welcome back. So we're here now at home with our shopping. I hope you enjoyed that little drive with us to the shop. And yeah, so now it is time to reveal what we got from the shopping, and I will tell you the total amount that we spent on this shopping for this week. So yes guys, I'm gonna show you now what we've got from our shopping. So we have our 2 kgs marmoy. For our meat for the week, we have 5 kgs of drumsticks. We have 1 bisupo. We have 8 tuna. 8 tuna here. We have 2 jelly beans. We have our peanut butter, our hand wash, our watermelon, sliced cheese, sour cream, our yogurt, it's just a 6-pack yogurt, our mixed nuts for snacks, 1 2-liter ice cream, vanilla ice cream, our lauki, the tea bags. We have 2 chocky mints. We have 2 6-packs of steak and cheese, 1 soy sauce. We have 7-Up, and we also have the the Pepsi, but the hubby is on that already. So the other thing we brought from the shopping is our 2 10-pack noodles. These noodles was a bit cheaper, but now it's going up. Like everything is going up now in prices. Our snacks is our Doritos, our favorite ones that we got from the Indian shop. That first stop that we did at the Indian shop, we got our island snacks, which are the bongos, 2 bongos, and a twisty. We got these 3 from the countdown. Our 3 breads for the week, 2 milks, our marinated chicken drumsticks, 2 20 trays of eggs, and our very ripe bananas here for our sofai later today. And lastly is our toilet paper, which is 24 rolls. I think we bought a little bit too much of snacks. So as you can see here on our shopping, we didn't buy any greens. The reason being is that what I have behind here is my harvest from my garden yesterday. So I have some like a pepper, chilies. These are some chilies with some
tomatoes.
With some cherry tomatoes. I have some corns here. I harvest some silver beets. Some silver beets here. The reason why I got harvest a little bit more of our silver beets is because we're gonna make our luau's tomorrow for our gongai. So the taro leaves are a little bit too pricey at the moment, or it always be pricey. I do have some taros outside, but my husband is saying that it's not ready yet for luau. So thank God that we have this produce from the garden to use. And imagine if there wasn't these greens from the garden, the budget will be like way more than what we spent. And I did harvest the last lot of round cabbages from the garden. So this is gonna be for our weekly meals.
Oh, yeah.
So this is the first zucchini from the garden, and I've got lots of cucumbers. So this year has been my first year of trying out a veggie garden. You might see from the shopping there's no fruits except for the bananas that we got for our sofai, and it's just the watermelon because My husband and kids love, especially Istelin loves the watermelon, so that's why we bought this one. So I'm going to take you outside to show you where we're going to get some more fruits for this week. So come along. So yes guys, we're outside now. Just at my backyard. I'm in an umbrella because it's a bit drizzling out here. So that's my apple tree where we're going to get our fruits from. And then next to the apple tree is my pear tree. So as you can see, it's fully loaded. So yeah, thank God for this. So this is where we're gonna get our fruits from for the week. This might cater for our family for a month or two. So yeah, very grateful for this. So the total amount that we've spent on our grocery shopping this week, apart from our greens and fruits from the garden, is a total of $270.71. Things are getting expensive nowadays if we don't budget our money well. So I hope you all enjoyed this grocery shopping haul with us. And thank you so much again for joining. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing to my Fob to Fab journey. Alofa teleatu, take care everyone, until fa soifua.